Hi everyone. So today I'm going to build a payroll salary insights dashboard in Power BI, and for that what I have done here is that you could see this. This is the data set which I have prepared, and it is having like employee ID, employee name, then in department, job role, then month, salary, like basic salary. What is the basic salary? Then what are the HRA allowance, and then gross salary, PF deduction, then tax deductions, and net salary, like employee is getting, right? So this then in a data set which I thought and I just have prepared here. So I'm going to use this data set in Power BI, and there I'll start building dashboard. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that first let's import this data in Power BI, and then start working upon building the dashboard. Okay, so I'm just going to close this as it is available in Excel. So I'll select Excel, and this is our data set. So I'm going to just open it. Once I clicked on open it, then here we will get this. So I'm going to select this on a table, and I just click on load. So after clicking on load, so what will happen that it will be imported into Power BI engine. So let's wait for a moment. So now you could see this, it is imported here, payroll data. Okay, it is imported here. So there's one transform data to check the data types, and data types are okay or not. So this is what we have to check. So employee ID, employee, date and month. Okay, month is also okay, so it is in date format. You could see this basic salary, HRA allowance, then gross salary, PF deduction, tax, net salary, all are okay. So we are not supposed to do anything. Just click on close and apply. Then what we have to do, we have to click on a model view. So since you could see this, there is only one table, so there will not be any kind of relationship, and we don't have to make any relationship, right? So let's come to report view, and now it's time to build the report. Okay, so let's just start building the report. So what we have to do, just click on this format your page report, and we have Canva backgrounds. Okay, this is the color, then more colors. And if you have the hex code, you can use hex code, otherwise you can choose the colors from here. Okay, you can choose the colors from here. So I'm going to put the hex code here. So this is our hex code. So this is 100%, so we have to make it 0. Now this is the background, and on this I'm going to build the report. Okay, what would be the dashboard title, right? So title would be like payroll salary insights. So for that we have to take a text box. Let's use it this way. Remove filter because it is consuming the space now. So this is the title, so let's write it as payroll salary insight dashboard. Okay, so this is our dashboard title. So this is our dashboard title. Now what we have to do, let's quickly first thing, let's change the background. So we want to have the same background what we selected for Canva space. So this would be our background. Now let's come here, let's go to title, and I want to select the format as this one. Then we have let's make it 20 bold, and this should be white, then it gets visible, right? Put it here. Okay, so this is payroll salary insights dashboard. Visual border, we can select visual border. Shadow also, we can apply the shadow. Color, we can choose it, we can make it inside. Okay, so this much is okay, right? So okay, what I'm going to do is that let's select the cards, and on that cards we will be putting the values. Okay, so this, now what we have to do, we have to put the values. So the first value would be basic salary. Okay, so I'll select basic salary. Now let's do the formatting a little bit. Call out values, it should be this format, our standard one, 20. And then let's come to color, so it should be white, it should be black, complete black. Auto display units, it's okay, thousands, let's select thousands. And then category label, let's make it off, and let's come here, and I'll use this title as basic salary. Okay, so this is the basic salary. Now let's do the formatting here also. This and this should be 20. Okay, this color black, middle. Okay, now background color should be this. Now we have to go for change the text color should be white. Okay, visual, this color should be white, so let's make it 15. Now this looks good. So okay, this looks fine. So now what we have to do, we have to do a little bit formatting as well. So general, let's go to an effect, visual border, shadow, this should be this color, and make it inside. Okay, so all are done here. Basic salary we are showing. Then we can show, let's copy and paste, and we can put it here. We can show tax deduction. Okay, let me remove this tax deduction. Okay, we have to change the title, so it should be tax deduction. Done. Then let's take this one, come here, and now we have to put PF deduction. Okay, so I select PF deduction. Now come here, general, so it would be PF deduction. Okay, let me change this one also. Done. Now I want to have one more KPI card, and there I want to add like which department is there which is being paid more. Okay, so for that what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a DAX query, like I want to find out that is there any department which is being paid more. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the DAX queries first. So I'll click on insert, I'll click on home, then we have entered the data, so I'll say DAX calculation. Okay, click on load. So here's the table. Now what I'm going to select, new measure, and here we will be writing, so I would name it highest paying department. Okay, highest paying department. Highest paying department equal to, so it would be where top department equal to top, and this method we have to select why this where. Okay, top and okay, so now open parenthesis, so I'll put 1 comma summarize. So we have method as this summarize. Then so what is the values. This method I'm going to use selected values. Then we have payroll data department, this. Okay, comma max top department, like we have written top department comma payroll department, now close parenthesis. That's all. So this is our query to find out highest paying department. Okay, this I'll be using this as highest paying department, right? So I'm going to remove this one. I'll put highest paying department, and text come here, highest paying department. Okay, highest paying department, let's make it 15, right? And this should be 15 also, make it 15, it will look good. 15, this one also, this one also. So we have found out highest paying department as well here, right? HR. Now so here two four KP cards are there: basic salary, tax deduction, and PF deduction, then highest paying department. Now what we have to do, add the visual now. Okay, so first a visual, it would be like I'll add this column chart, and here I'll put this here. Okay, likewise. Now what I'm going to do, I'll select here I want to show on the salary, I want to show the net salary by department wise. Okay, so first I'll select department, and then I'll select net salary. Okay, you could see this net salary. So some of net salary is reflecting and department is also reflecting. Now what we have to do, let's use this format painter and put this here. Okay, now we have to work upon formattings and color codings. So let's come here, x-axis, this should be 12. I'll select this as this, and then we have bold, it should be white, and then title, so this is this 12 is okay, bold. Okay, now let's go for y-axis. So here also same thing we have to do, values, this, let's make it 12, bold, color should be white. Now display units are reflecting, so it should be thousands. Okay, now title, so this would be our standard one, and color should be white, so title is also reflected, right? Now what we have to do, we have to select this, and now we have to write the title. So this is the title reflecting, but we are going to make it as department salary distribution by department. Okay, salary distribution by department, so we are done with this. Now so the salary 10 by month. Okay, salary 10 by month, but before that I want to add one more visual, I want to show the total net salary. So for that, what I have done, I have one image, so I'll click on insert. I have downloaded one image, this, and I'm going to use this image to add visuals. Okay, so I'll use it here. Here this is the image which I have imported, and here I'll put net salary. So how to put this, so I'll have to use the cards. So I'll use this card, and I'll put this here. I select this on a card, go to format, and put this as send it to back. Okay, now this card is appearing, so I want to show here is net salary. Okay, so this is reflecting as net salary. So let's do the formatting a little bit. So label, category label, let's make it off. Okay, call out values, it should be this format, and our standard one, I'll select 15. Okay, then bold, color should be white. Okay, it should be thousands. And now let's come to general, effect, I'll select our standard color, and title would be net salary. Okay, net salary, and this color should be white. Right, now let's make it middle. Okay, so there's the net salary which is reflecting. This is the net salary which is reflecting over there, right? So I'll select this background color as no background color. Let's make it off. Okay, now it looks good. See this. So we are showing salary distribution by department, and this is the net salary we are showing here. Now what we have to do, we have to add line chart, and we want to show other data. So I'll copy this visual and I'll put it here. Okay, I've copied and pasted the data. So what I'm going to show here is that I'll convert this visual into line chart, and here I want to show the month wise net salary. Okay, so let's remove this and this one also. So we have the date, month here. So let's expand it, and here we have the month. So select this month, then we have to select net salary. So this is what we are showing, salary 10 by month. Okay, so let's quickly change the data, salary 10 by month. Okay, salary 10 by month, the title one. So I'll come here, select this, and salary 10 by month. Done. Right, so we are showing salary 10 by month. Now what we have to do, we have to show after that we have to show another visual. So that would be I want to show the stacked bar chart where I want to show the data as job role. Okay, basic salary. So based on job role, what is the basic salary, HRA and allowance. So I'll copy this in a visual and I'll put it here, and I'll change this to stacked bar chart. This. Now let's add the data. So job role, we have the here job role. Now basic salary, so this is our basic salary. Then I'm going to add HRA, then I'm going to add allowance. Here is the allowance, right? So this data I wanted to show. Now let's do the formatting a little bit here. So formatting would be, let's select this, and general title. First we have to correct the title. So this is salary component comparison. This would be salary component comparison. Right, salary component comparison. Now come here, and so this is done. Now we have to show the data in a table format. So I'll copy this and I'll put it here, and this would be likewise. So what I'm going to show you is that this the salary component we are showing. So let's put in this right side, and this visual I'll convert it into table format, and here I'll show the data as let me remove this. So this would be like I want to show department, then I want to show job role, then I want to show net salary, tax and PF deduction. So this I want to show. So this is reflecting in table format. Okay, table format, right? Sum of tax, sum of salary and net and all that. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that I'll apply this color coding now. So style present is default, so we can select as per our requirement. Okay, now grid color should be is vertical lines. Okay, now let's go to values. So text color should be white always. Background color I want to have this one, and alternate text color should be white, alternate background color should be this. Now it is reflecting, right? Now what we have to do, column headers, yes, so this would be 12. Okay, this one. Okay, now let's make it background color as this, middle, right? So now what we have to do, totals, click on totals, so it is reflecting. Okay, 12, make it 12, bold, white, and background color should be this. So this is what we have developed. Now now let's add the slicer. So slicer, I would like to add here 2 slicers, department, okay, and job role. So I'll put this here, okay. So this would be department, and selection values, it would be drop down. Selection would be select all also, okay. Then slicer header is okay. Values, so it should be 12. Okay, good. This one, bold, font color should be this, general. Then I'm going to impact color code as this background. Okay, so now let's come here and values, slicer header, department. I'll put the title here, department. Okay, let's make it this color, this should be 12, text color should be white, and make it middle, right? So if I click here, it reflects, right? So apply this copy paint, apply here. Now let me change little bit, so this looks okay. Now similarly what we have to do, we have to copy, we have to paste and make it here, and I'll change the data from department to job role. Okay, so this title I need to change, general title, job role, right? This. Okay, now if we use the slicer and if you try to do something, so is it getting changed or not? Let's see. Values are getting changed, right? See this, everywhere you would find values are getting changed, and this one is also working highest paying department, so sales department and all that. The by default it is showing HRA. Then if I go ahead and if I select accountant, okay, if I select other values likewise, so it is working, right? So let me expand this little bit likewise. Okay, this one also, add bookmark also, that is important one, so that what will happen, that if you want to land it to original state of the dashboard, then we can land it. So what I'm going to do, I'll click on insert, then button. Okay, I'll add this button here. Okay, now let's quickly use this shape format painter and put this here. Okay, now what do we have to do? We have to give the name, style, text, default setting. Okay, default setting, so it should be this 12 and bold, font color should be white. Okay, so I'll make it default visual setting, right? Then middle, done. Okay, now let's come here, let's add it to, now let's go to view, bookmark, add default visual setting. Okay, now select this action, here this will be bookmark, and here default visual setting. That's all. So we are done with this, right? Okay, so we are done with this. Now this is our default setting. Now let's change the data and let's check it out that it is working or not. So see this see this, all the data, whatever the data I select, okay, it is working as per the selection, right, everywhere. Now we want to come to original state of the dashboard, so we have to click on this by pressing the control button, and this is which we have landed, right? So this is how you can develop the dashboard, payroll salary insights dashboard in Power BI. And I'm going to do is I'll put the data set in description box so that you can use the same data set and you can do the practice at your end, and you can develop the dashboard. So that's all about it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.